Bye. I cannot wait to get out of here so that I can go home and log on to Really Mean Sounds. I cannot wait until I can see what Ferret has bought. Now wonder if it will be another Rhonda? I hope so. He is a man of great taste.
I know. I tried to log in half-hour ago but the server was down again. Cooper needs to get his finger out of his arse or I will have to go around and buck him sideways in his Nissan 200 SX drifting whore of a car. He will not know his helmet from his elbow when I get the hold of him.
He once drove that car at Bishop's Court and I could not see the cunt due to the amount of smoke coming out of her. Apparently it was a Cat D from across the water but still goes round like a Tesco's trolley. He promised me a run in it but I said no and went for a Chinese instead.
Good decision. I was told he once touched a boy up during a lap and said he meant to hit the wand and not his shaft. The boy dropped all charges by the way.
Jesus Christ. That was a close call then. What time is the meeting at Sprucefield tonight? I might go down and pull a few hoops while hanging out the window with my cock out.
It is at 8 o'clock. I will go down as well and hang off your shaft if you do not mind. I think Hillbilly is going as well so I will be on a winner tonight. No man has ever touched me in such a way before. He has obviously picked up some tips during his stay in Amsterdam.
No problem. You can hag off my shaft anytime you like. Hey. Right that it. In the way here to log in as woodcutter again and act a big man with loads of money and no sense. See ya at the meet tonight and someone will get you bucked.
I hope so. If Hillbilly is not there I will try and find MacGyver if he has not got the snipper ready. All the best. Hey.